We've never paid a dime up front.
Nothing up front?
We just start paying the smaller bill, the monthly bill.
Yeah.
Which actually we've cut it more than half.
Yeah.
Right? And we can run the air conditioning during the summer. We don't need to worry about that. So,
yeah.
So I'm excited about it.
I remember when I came by at your door and we were talking, and I don't know how it came up, but I'm so intrigued because solar is, a lot of companies treat it as a transaction. At Sungrade, we really try to build a good relationship with all of our customers. So I was asking you questions kind of about like what you did for a living, and you started telling me about golf, and I was like, man, I know I need to get better at golf because I'm in business, you know, you play golf with a lot of people, and you're like, well, I actually have a lot of experience with golf. So do you want to tell them about your golf experience? It's better than just playing out there with friends on a Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. Well, currently I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker, but in my former years, I've been a golf professional all my life. So went to college on a golf scholarship and played on the tour for 8 years, and owned a driving range and 3-park course in the 90s, and then I played in Europe for about 11 years. So a lot of golf and history there. So
how many tours is that in total?
It's a lot. It's taken me around the world, and a lot of good travel and everything else. So, but now I'm home more and making real estate work and everything.
Yep.
But the solar you know, is a continual emerging thing. We deal with it in real estate as far as escrow goes, as far as the owner, whether he purchases, leased it. And you guys, you know, it's just a loan now, right? Is that the best way to say it?
Yeah, exactly.
And so we're excited
Maybe no
about
upfront ownership, yeah.
Right, exactly. So we've never paid a dime up front.
Nothing up front?
We just start paying the smaller bill, the monthly bill.
Yeah.
And which actually we've cut it more than half.
Yeah.
Right? And we can run the air conditioning during the summer. We don't need to worry about that. So.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about it. So I owe Michael a golf lesson for such a good deal. And
that's right. We worked something out,
guys. We're just working on his grip right now.
Yeah. So still haven't learned it. I'm embarrassed. He showed me a month and a half ago, and he's like, "Let's see the grip," and I was like, well, "I forgot already." Well, so I think I'm going to stick to solar. He's going to stick to real estate and golf, and together we got a partnership here, and we're excited to continue to help you save money. And then I'm excited to learn how to golf.
Great.
Alrighty.
Thanks, Mike.
Thanks, guys.